Hello everyone, I'm Farhana from the Faculty of Built Environment UM, and in this video I'm going to share with you about our project entitled Embracing DIY with Waste for Sustainable Living. This is the outline for the video presentation. This project was successfully conducted between October 2023 until January 2025 with the involvement of 177 school students. Our project team consists of 4 members. What motivated us to carry out this project is the increasing amount of waste we generate every single day. Globally, we produce over 2 billion tons of waste annually. In Malaysia alone, more than 39,000 tons of waste are disposed daily, equating to about 1.17 kg per person, much of which ends up in the landfill or worse in the environment. A significant contributor to this issue is the low level of public awareness regarding the importance of proper waste disposal. Looking at do-it-yourself concept as one of the sustainable ways of handling waste, this project aims to inculcate a DIY lifestyle among communities through a comprehensive learning module. In developing the module, there were 3 main activities conducted: on-site data collection on waste management facilities and 2 competitions involving school students called DIY Made Simple and Mascot Design Competition. A series of interviews was conducted with officers from the SW Corp as the leading national agency in solid waste management and public cleansing services. Site visit was also conducted at several waste management facilities operating in Pahang. Data obtained from the interviews and visit facilitate the formulation of the first 2 chapters of the module on the solid waste management in Malaysia. Next activity conducted is DIY Made Simple competition, which requires secondary school students to explore innovative use of waste to enhance the school facilities by using DIY technique. We have successfully received 589 video submissions from 192 schools in the first phase. Phase 2 involved the selected team from 16 schools to build physical product based on the proposed idea. Ideas gathered from this competition are transformed and presented as a step-by-step process in the learning module. The last activity conducted was the mascot design competition, where we received 97 submissions from 32 primary schools across Malaysia. Mascot drawings submitted by the contestant were selected and redrawn by a professional artist to be included in the learning module. Finally, the module was successfully formulated and validated based on the activities conducted and also feedback received from the SW Corp. Outcome and impact of our project emphasizing the cross-sector collaboration established between 3 key stakeholders. Analysis of the feedback data also shows that the targeted community knowledge, awareness and skill has increased regarding the use of DIY technique as one of the potential methods of recycling waste. Let's hear some testimony from the community involved in our project. Last but not least, how do we sustain the project? The published learning module will be handed over to the school's relevant club for them to apply the skills and train others on how to develop sustainable DIY products using recyclable waste without involvement of the project teams. That's all. Thank you.